Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the spec and token. Now make the first request. Use curl or postman to call get/health or a simple resource endpoint, include authorization and content type headers, and inspect the HTTP status and JSON body. Once you see 200 OK and a valid response, make a post with minimal payload to validate write permissions. This proves connectivity and auth, gives you a sample response shape, and sets the baseline for deeper work. Next, implement the middle layer. Map your routes to controller logic and validate every incoming payload to prevent bad data. Make sure you return consistent status codes and clear error objects. Once done, add pagination and filtering to list endpoints and standardize query parameters so clients can predict behavior. Also integrate logging and structured traces for requests. These let you correlate failures. Finally, write unit and integration tests that simulate edge cases, which ensures behavior under load and during schema changes. To finish, deploy via your CI/CD pipeline and run smoke tests against the deployed base URL to verify routing and auth. Once live, monitor latency, error rate, and throughput. Set alerts for thresholds so you react fast. Make sure you publish clear docs and examples for client teams and increment the version when you introduce breaking changes. If something breaks, check auth tokens, base URL, and request headers first. Most issues are misconfigured headers or environment variables.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.